A universe of potential. PiNetwork's Dr.Nicholas Kokkalis unveils new apps. In the vast expanse of the digital world, a new star is rising. PiNetwork, the brainchild of Dr. Nicholas Kokkalis and Dr. Chengdiao Fan, is rapidly changing our understanding of cryptocurrency. Like pioneers charting unknown territories, Dr. Kokkalis and his team are building a universe of possibilities, and recently, they took a giant leap forward. In a move that sent ripples of excitement through the Pi community and beyond, Dr. Kokkalis took to the digital stage to personally demonstrate the latest additions to the PiNetwork, a suite of powerful user-friendly utility apps. Imagine a world where complex blockchain technology is as simple to use as your favorite smartphone app. This is the vision that Dr. Kokkalis brought to life as he walked viewers through the intuitive design and groundbreaking functionality of these new tools. From streamlined payment systems to innovative social networking features, each app showcased PiNetwork's commitment to making cryptocurrency accessible and beneficial to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. The live demonstration was more than just a product launch, it was a powerful testament to the incredible progress PiNetwork has made. It was a clear signal that PiNetwork is not just building a cryptocurrency, it's building a vibrant, thriving ecosystem. Mainnet Ignition PiNetwork blasts off. February 20th, 2025 marked a pivotal moment in PiNetwork's journey. It was on this date that PiNetwork transitioned from its enclosed mainnet phase to a fully operational open mainnet. This landmark event represented the culmination of years of meticulous development, rigorous testing, and unwavering dedication from the Pi core team and its ever-growing community. The launch of the open mainnet catapulted PiNetwork into a new era, one characterized by decentralization, enhanced security, and unprecedented opportunities for its millions of users worldwide. With the open mainnet, the reins of the PiNetwork were officially handed over to the pioneers, the individuals who formed the backbone of this revolutionary project. The significance of the open mainnet cannot be overstated. It signified PiNetwork's readiness to take its place on the global stage, to compete with established cryptocurrencies, and to revolutionize the way we think about and interact with digital assets. This was a giant leap for PiNetwork, a giant leap for its millions of users, and a giant leap for the future of decentralized finance. A constellation of apps, exploring the PiNetwork ecosystem. At the heart of PiNetwork's vision lies a thriving ecosystem of applications designed to empower users and drive real-world utility. The Pi core team understands that a truly successful cryptocurrency needs to be more than just a digital asset. It needs to be integrated into our daily lives. Central to this ecosystem is the Pi browser, a secure and user-friendly gateway to the world of Pi apps. Designed with accessibility in mind, the Pi browser allows users to seamlessly navigate a diverse range of applications, all within a single unified platform. From social networking and gaming to e-commerce and financial services, the Pi browser is quickly becoming the go-to destination for anyone looking to experience the power and potential of the PiNetwork. Complementing the Pi browser is the Pi Wallet, a secure and intuitive tool for managing Pi cryptocurrency. With the Pi Wallet, users can effortlessly send and receive Pi, make purchases at participating merchants, and manage their digital assets with ease. The Pi Wallet is a prime example of PiNetwork's commitment to user-friendliness, making it simple for anyone, regardless of their technical background, to participate in the Pi economy. The Pi economy, a model for sustainable growth. Underlying PiNetwork's innovative approach to cryptocurrency is a carefully crafted tokenomics model designed to foster sustainable growth and long-term value. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that rely on energy-intensive mining processes, PiNetwork employs a unique approach that rewards users for their contributions to the network. At the core of Pi's tokenomics is a negative exponential declining token issuance model. This means that the rate at which new Pi coins are created decreases over time, effectively controlling inflation and ensuring the scarcity of the Pi cryptocurrency. This model ensures that early adopters are rewarded for their belief in the project, while also incentivizing new users to join and contribute to the network's growth. Another key aspect of PiNetwork's commitment to fairness and security is its mandatory Know Your Customer (KYC) verification process. By requiring all users to verify their identities, PiNetwork prevents malicious actors from creating multiple accounts and ensures that the distribution of Pi coins remains equitable. Section 5. Pi's global reach. Merchants and markets embrace the future. PiNetwork's vision extends far beyond the digital realm. With a steadfast commitment to driving real-world adoption, PiNetwork is actively forging partnerships with merchants and businesses worldwide. The goal is simple: to make Pi a widely accepted form of payment, bridging the gap between the digital and physical economies. PiFest 2024, a landmark event that brought together pioneers, developers, and businesses from around the globe, served as a testament to PiNetwork's growing momentum. With over 27,000 active sellers and 28,000 test merchants participating, PiFest 2024 provided a glimpse into a future where Pi is seamlessly integrated into our everyday transactions. The numbers speak for themselves. PiNetwork is rapidly gaining traction, with over 60 million engaged pioneers worldwide and 10 million pioneers already migrated to the Mainnet. PiNetwork is well on its way to achieving its goal of creating a truly inclusive and accessible global digital economy. Section 6. From Beta to Breakthrough. PiNetwork's Journey to Mainnet. PiNetwork's journey to Mainnet is a testament to the power of iterative development and community collaboration. From its humble beginnings as a mobile mining application in 2019, PiNetwork has undergone a remarkable transformation, consistently pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of cryptocurrency. Following its initial beta phase, PiNetwork transitioned to a testnet environment in 2020. This critical phase allowed the Pi core team to rigorously test the network's infrastructure, identify and address potential vulnerabilities, and ensure a smooth and secure transition to mainnet. In 2021, PiNetwork entered its enclosed mainnet phase, a crucial period during which the focus shifted towards KYC verification, network security enhancements, and the development of the Pi ecosystem. This phase allowed the Pi core team to fine-tune the network in preparation for its full-fledged launch. Section 7. Architects of Accessibility. The Visionaries Behind PiNetwork. Behind PiNetwork's remarkable journey are two Stanford PhDs, Dr.Nicholas Kokkalis and Dr. Chengdiao Fan, driven by a shared vision of making cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. Dr. Kokkalis, with his expertise in human-computer interaction, and Dr. Fan, specializing in computational anthropology, brought their unique perspectives and skill sets to the table, creating a cryptocurrency that is both technically sophisticated and incredibly user-friendly. They understood that for cryptocurrency to reach its full potential, it needed to be more than just a speculative asset. It needed to be a tool for social and economic empowerment. Their vision was clear: to create a world where anyone, regardless of their technical expertise or socioeconomic background, could participate in the digital economy. This vision is at the heart of everything PiNetwork does, from its user-friendly mobile mining application to its focus on building a vibrant and inclusive ecosystem of applications. Section 8. Join the Pi Revolution, your invitation to the future of currency. PiNetwork is more than just a cryptocurrency, it's a movement. It's a global community of millions of individuals who believe in the power of technology to create a more equitable and accessible world. It's an invitation to be a part of something truly transformative. The PiNetwork journey is far from over. This is just the beginning. As PiNetwork continues to evolve and expand, it presents a unique opportunity for individuals to be a part of something truly groundbreaking. If you're ready to embark on this exciting journey, we encourage you to download the PiNetwork app and start mining today. Join the ever-growing community of pioneers, explore the expanding universe of Pi apps, and be a part of the future of currency. Section 9. Beyond the Horizon. The expanding universe of PiNetwork. As we look to the future, the potential of PiNetwork seems as limitless as the universe itself. With its robust technology, thriving ecosystem, and passionate community, PiNetwork is poised to revolutionize the way we think about and interact with digital assets. The recent live demonstration of new Pi apps by Dr.Nicholas Kokkalis is just a glimpse of what's to come. As more and more developers join the PiNetwork ecosystem, we can expect to see an explosion of innovative applications that push the boundaries of what's possible. The future of finance is decentralized, accessible, and empowering, and PiNetwork is leading the charge. This is your invitation to join the revolution, to be a part of something extraordinary, and to help shape the future of currency.